Hello friends from YouTube. Today I'm working on a central vacuum, and I was looking for a video online and see if it shows on how to replace a direct connect central vacuum hose, but there wasn't any, so I thought of uploading a video on how to convert a direct connect hose to a corded electric hose. So this one is 120 volts, and it's got low voltage for your central vacuum, so you can turn it on and off from the switch, which I'll show you later. So what you're gonna need are, you're gonna need a cord. You're gonna need it comes with this the cuff, and so you get these two parts. Okay, I don't know if you can see it. So these two parts, so it's a converter, and I already removed the this one here. So that's how it looks when it's on the, I don't know if you can see it. Let me see. So there you go. So that's how you see it when it's attached to the hose. That's a direct connect. But we're gonna make it into a corded now. So what you wanna do, you have your cuff. That one goes at the end, okay? So we'll put it aside. And then you want to connect this wire. It's got a terminal here. Okay, so make sure it's all the way in. So once that's connected, then you want to put it there you go. So you see, that's how it looks. Okay, and then at the end you want to put the cuff that comes with it, which is this cover, and that should just slide like so. Just push it all the way in. There you go, until you hear a click sound. So there's a tab right there. See that? There. So now we have converted this one direct connect into a corded hose. I'm gonna show you the difference right here. Let's call it direct connect, and this one is a corded one. So this will go into your 115 volts AC, and then here you have your, there you have your, of course it's gonna be off. That will be low voltage. That would turn your unit on, and when you go to those two lines there, that turns the low voltage and that turns the high voltage as well. So you have a motorized power head. So there you have it. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching.